What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dub Club. So today we're getting back down to the Mark IVs. I'm going to be putting in an Audi steering wheel into my daily driver here. It's just a 05 TDI Jetta, and it's clearly in not the best of shapes right now. The car's pretty beat up everywhere. Pretty much the whole thing needs to be repainted. But that's going to be for another video. In this video, I'm going to be installing a Audi A4 steering wheel into this thing. Now the steering wheel came out of a B6, I believe, A4 it is. So it's like an 04, that body style. Yeah, I think it's going to look a little better. Obviously, it's going to have Audi logo on it, but whatever. Pretty much an Audi. Yeah, so this old thing is going to get replaced with the one I got over there. I got the steering wheel for free with the airbag, so I mean, I said, why not? You know, I'm just going to throw it in. It's a little better, at least it's leather. So, yeah, but here it is. I think it's going to look a little better, obviously, in the Jetta compared to the factory wheel that's in there. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is get this airbag off. I believe this one, there's some clips in the back that you got to put a screwdriver through the steering wheel and unclip, and then this pops out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so now that the airbag is detached, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you put the steering wheel straight. Just turn the key in the ignition and just make sure that it's straight. You're doing this so that you can install the new airbag or the new steering wheel in and not have to worry about, you know, having the wheel to the left or to the right a little bit. That way you just install the new one straight and you're set to go. Alright, so now that the wheel's straight, you can go ahead and turn the ignition off and unplug the airbag and unscrew the steering wheel. So the steering wheel is held in with one of these, which is just a triple square, I believe it's an M12 size little tool. A lot of times when you get this unscrewed, the steering wheel won't want to come off. So a good trick is just to smack it around here a couple of times, kind of side to side, and then it should come off pretty easily. So before I actually go ahead and install the steering wheel, I'm just gonna make these connectors work. So what I gotta do is take off the wiring harness off of this steering wheel, and obviously just put it on here, but I'm gonna have to reconnect this connector because it's different on the Audi versus the Mark IV. This is just a really simple matter of cutting this old connector off. Say right there. Pull this thing off. Cutting the Audi connector off. Say right there. And these wires actually don't matter which one goes where. If it's this way or if the wires are switched, it doesn't matter for the airbag. So. Now that I put the airbag on, I didn't bolt it in yet because I just want to make sure that the horn's gonna work. So put the key in and make sure that the airbag light goes off. And there it is, it works. Alright guys, so there it is. That's how you install an Audi steering wheel into a VW. Being that Audi is made by VW, it's very simple install because the wheel just fits. If you have any questions about you know, doing this to your car. I have been working with airbags for quite some time now, so I am pretty versed in swapping them out and what you can and can't do and stuff. So yeah, just leave me a comment and I'll be sure to answer it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys.